viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's video is going to focus on how to cut that particular sleeve you are seeing on the screen. So using paper illustration. So it's a trendy sleeve that you can use on your Ankara, on lacy, so it depends. It's very nice sleeve. So let's begin the cutting. Welcome to cutting section. I'm using this paper to cut out the pattern for that particular sleeve you are seeing on the screen. For the sleeve, you're going to use organza fabric for the sleeve. So, folding your organza into two, you're going to use like 1.5 yards of organza for that particular sleeve. So, now you're going to fold your 1.5 yard of the fabric into two first, like this, then into four. Now into four like this. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, into four. So the next thing we're going to do now is to make a circle. So it depends on the sleeve length you are making. Now I'm using 12. For the length of the sleeve there, I'm using 12. 12. 12. 12. So I'm going to cut out like this, you can see. So the next thing you're going to do here is to measure the armhole. So the first thing you're going to do here is to take your tape up here. From here, you're going to measure the armhole. You're going to measure the armhole. I'm using 5 inches for the deepness of the armhole here. You can see the 5 inches. So after then, you're going to take a tape to where you can get 3 inches. You can see, you can get it from here, and there's a space over here. So this is my 3 inches. Then from that thing, draw it down here and draw it like this. So after then, you are going to cut it out like this. Like this. You can see it. Then the next thing you're going to do is to open it. This is exactly how it's going to look like. When you open it, then you know your own is going to be a big flay. When you're using 1.5 yard of the fabric, it's going to be a big flay. So you're cutting the flay into two because it's for both sleeves. Like this. So this is for the first one and this is for the second one. So the next thing you're going to do now is to open it like this. Then trim this particular place out like this. Like this. So this particular area is going to stay at the shoulder here, and this particular area is going to stay at the armhole side. So you're going to fold it up to 1 inch. There'll be an elastic cover that's going to pass through the circle to make it exactly like the picture you are seeing. So there will be an elastic cover here too. They're going to shrink this particular place. So after then, you are good to go. So now this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is how the sleeve is going to be. This is good for the armhole, the other side too, like this. You can see it. This is the up shoulder. You can see it. And this particular place is where the elastic is going to pass through. When you turn like 1 inches, they're going to put elastic to it. So you can see it, and there will be an elastic here too, but if you can make it firm to this particular place, there is no need of an elastic again. But if what you cut is not firm to this particular place, you are going to put an elastic over to make it firm, and an elastic over here too. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.